In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha Short Interest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a short interest column to your Seeking Alpha portfolio so you can easily monitor shifts in bearish sentiment across the stocks you follow. First, a quick bit of context. Short interest is the amount of a company's shares that investors have sold short, typically expressed as a percentage of the float. When short interest rises, it can signal growing negative sentiment or expectations of weakness. When it falls, it can indicate improving confidence or short covering. It's not a buy or sell signal on its own, but it's a useful sentiment gauge to pair with fundamentals, earnings, and price action. Let's set it up. Open your Seeking Alpha portfolio. From your portfolio view, look for the control that manages what columns you see and click Add Edit Views. This is where you can customize the data that appears in your tracker so the information you care about is front and center. Create a custom view. You can give it a clear name so you recognize it later, then choose the data fields you want displayed. In the data selection list, find and select Short Interest. This adds a dedicated column to your custom layout. Confirm your choices and apply or save the view. Your portfolio will refresh to show the new short interest column alongside your tickers. Now that it's visible, use it to monitor sentiment at a glance. Sort the column to surface names with the highest or lowest short interest and compare across your holdings to see where bearish bets are concentrated. Revisit this view periodically to spot changes over time. Rising short interest can hint at building skepticism, possible pressure on the stock, or, if a catalyst appears, the potential for a short squeeze. Declining short interest can suggest shorts are backing off, often aligning with improving fundamentals or momentum. A few practical tips. Treat short interest as one component of your process, not a standalone decision maker. Combine it with factors like earnings revisions, valuation, or technical trends to build a fuller picture. Be aware that some tickers may have limited short interest data, and values can update on a schedule rather than in real time. So focus on trends rather than day-to-day noise. That's all there is to it. By adding the short interest column to a custom view, you turn your portfolio into a simple dashboard for tracking market sentiment where it matters most, on the stocks you actually own or watch.